Hi everyone, as part of my project 3, I have created a chatbot, a completely personalized chatbot which can resolve queries, which can initiate a conversation, and which can also solve some mathematical equations, both simple and complex, and also keep track of current time. Let's get into it. So here comes the initial screen where the chatbot initiates a conversation with a warm message like "Hi there." And now when the user start conversation with the chatbot, now the chatbot responds with "How are you doing?" Here is a response for "How are you" message that the customer has sent to the chatbot. Let's ask some questions to the chatbot and see if it can answer. So the first question I have asked is what is soccer, and seems like chatbot has given an answer for it. And I have also asked few more questions to the chatbot like what is cricket, and the chatbot has responded. And also there is some question like how do you feel, and you see the chatbot has responded with I am a fairly sophisticated piece of software. Now comes another feature that is included is getting to know the current time of the system. Here you go. When I asked what is the current time, the system has responded with current time as 11:45 p.m. at the time when I've recorded this video. So now comes the major feature of this chatbot, which is resolving mathematical equations. Like when I have asked like what is 2 plus 2, this chatbot has responded with 4. Seems to be intelligent. I have asked the same question in multiple ways and the chatbot has responded with perfect answers. Here you can see I have asked few more mathematical equations, different calculations that the chatbot has responded with the perfect answers. The best part is it can resolve complex equations as shown here. The best part of this chatbot is it is trained to answer with a default value when it cannot understand, or if the user gives the chatbot with a gibberish or unknown thing. Thank you and have a great day.